consoling. If you are fed up with those tiny bumps and stubborn comedones, it's really so hard to get rid of them. I've been there and I know exactly how it feels though, when nothing seems to work. But today, I'm sharing something that completely changed the game for me. So stick around if you are struggling with this. You need to hear what I've got to say. Let me take you back to Jan 2025, the beginning of the year. That's when I made a huge mistake, or should I say a stupidity, or a moment of curiosity which turned into a major skincare fail. Those days I was feeling a lot of dryness on my skin. My face was feeling very itchy and tight. So I thought, let me apply Borolene, because I use Borolene for my lips. If I have dry and chapped lips, I will not try any other products if I have Borolene. It really works wonder for my chapped lips. So I thought, if it is working nice for my lips, why not apply on my face also? And then I applied it without even knowing what ingredients are there in Borolene. So I think I applied it for 2 or 3 days, and you won't believe my skin was so hydrated. I was not anymore feeling itchy or the dryness. So it served the purpose. For the reason I applied it, it served the purpose. But you know what? Within some days, I got tiny bumps all over my face. I'm not kidding, all over my face, on my forehead, on my cheeks, on my chin, on my nose, on my upper lip, everywhere. And then I was so shocked because मेरा जो skin है ना, इतना ज़्यादा congested कभी नहीं होता है. It happens, but not that much जो हुआ था उस time. So then थोड़ा मैंने सोचने के बाद देन मैंने जाके रिसर्च की. I researched and I found out that the Borolene has an ingredient called lanolin. It has the power to make your skin congested and give you comedones and tiny bumps if you have oily and congested skin. So now what? I already have done that. Now all the tiny bumps and comedones are on my face. So I just try a lot of products. You just name it. Jitcare S gel, Sebo gel, benzoyl peroxide. I tried everything. So January month passed, February month passed, but my tiny bumps were still there. It was not that visible, but whenever if I will touch my face, I can see it. And if I will see, like take a picture in a sunlight or a direct lights, at that time I could see that it is like visible. Then because it almost 2 months and the situation is not getting better, it is like that only. So I did a lot of research, I did studied a lot. Then I finally found out one serum, not serum, or ingredient, that is azelaic acid. And then I tried for a good product that is available for azelaic acid. And then after a lot of research, I found out this underrated serum, the azelaic acid serum from Dr. Sheth's. Yes, I would say underrated because कोई बात ही नहीं करता है azelaic acid के बारे में. Everyone is talking about salicylic acid, everyone is talking about benzoyl peroxide, everything they are talking, but nobody is really highlighting this azelaic acid serum. और maybe ये उनके लिए उतना अच्छा काम नहीं किया होगा, तो फिर वो बात नहीं कर रहे होंगे. Now I know that you are thinking कि यार another serum, but trust me, if you fall under my category, the skin concern category, then I guess this will be the game changer for you also. So please stick around with me. So I bought this serum from, I guess, Nykaa, and then I started applying it on my face at night time skincare routine once in a day. So within a week only, I started seeing a lot of changes in my skin. Some tiny bumps are turning into whiteheads, some turned into pimples, some are become mushy. So much was going on my face, and I won't lie, and honestly saying, I was so scared at the beginning, just thinking that did I made another mistake. Then I just calmed down and reminded myself that it's maybe the posing and not a bad reaction. And then I stuck with this product. So the day I'm shooting this video, right now I have like one active pimples here, and here it's almost done, but a little bit pain is there, so I'm considering this also as a active pimple. Rather than these two, I really do not have any pimple on my face. वन मोर थिंग, जब से मैंने ये सीरम यूज़ करना स्टार्ट किया, ऑनेस्टली सेइंग मेरे फेस पे ना कोई भी पिंपल आया ही नहीं। जितने भी टाइनी बम्स थे एंड दे टर्न इनटू पिंपल, वो वाला पिंपल आए, लेकिन न्यू पिंपल जो यूजुअली होता है ना मुझे, वो वाला पिंपल कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। देन जो भी मेरे फेस पे थोड़ा बहुत मुझे कंजेस्टेड फील होता था, वो कंजेशन भी नहीं है, कोई वाइट हेड्स नहीं है, नॉट ऑन माई चीक्स, ऑन माई चीन, ऑन माई फोरहेड, नो वाइट हेड्स, नो ब्लैक हेड्स, नो कोमेडोन्स, नो टाइनी बॉम्ब्स एट ऑल। दिज आर ओनली 2 लेफ्ट टिल द एंड, और ये अभी थोड़ा ही टाइम में, मतलब कल परसों तक शायद ये भी ठीक हो जाएगा, और इसका बस पेन है, तो वो पेन ऑल्सो इट विल गो आई गेस विद इन 1 or 2 days। सो ये जो सीरम है, इसमें जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स है ना, ये सेंसिटिव स्किन के लिए बहुत बहुत अच्छा है, बिकॉज इट हैज़ रिटन हियर दैट अ मल्टीटास्किंग सीरम दैट एक्सफोलिएट्स, soothes and heals sensitive skin. So if you are also somebody who have sensitive skin, at the same time you have tiny bumps and comedones, but you cannot really try any other ingredient that is stronger than this, then I would highly recommend you to give this serum a try. So apart from clearing out your skin, there is another thing also I noticed, that here I had a pimple long back, और छोटा सा ही ना, आई थिंक यू विल नॉट गेट ऑन दिस कैमरा। मैंने ट्राई किया था कि इसको मैं कैप्चर कर पाऊँ, अगर हो जाएगा आई विल पुट दैट इमेज ऑल्सो। यहाँ पे एक पिंपल था जो बहुत टाइम से जा चुका था, बट उसका जो मार्क्स है ना, दिसंबर से मेरे फेस पे ही था, वो फेड हो रहा था बहुत स्लोली। जब से मैंने ये सीरम लगाना स्टार्ट किया, ये मेरा फेस को क्लियर तो किया, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो पिंपल मार्क्स था ना, वो अभी है नहीं। तो आई रियलाइज दैट दिस नॉट ओनली हेल्प्स टू एक्सफोलिएट्स योर स्किन एंड क्लियरिंग आउट योर स्किन, बट इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स फेड स्टबन pigmentation, or if you have very stubborn dark spots on your face, I would say try this ones. If you have tiny bumps, definitely you use. If you have pigmentation, dark spots, even very old or stubborn pigmentation, still I will recommend you to use this. And it's been 1 month, I'm not trying any other ingredient or serum, because I believe and I follow that also. जब मैं बहुत सारा ingredients, बहुत सारा layering करती हूँ ना, तो फिर मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि कौन सा ingredient actually काम कर रहा है। तो जब मैं कुछ नया प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई करती हूँ, कुछ अच्छा रिजल्ट्स के लिए, या फिर कुछ दिमाग में रख के कि मे बी ये इसके लिए काम करता है बोल के, ऐसा जब हुए ना, तो फिर मैं वही प्रोडक्ट ही यूज़ करती हूँ। हाँ, लास्ट मंथ से जब से मैंने खरीदा, दिस गॉट इट इन द मंथ ऑफ मार्च, then it is been 1 month I am trying this serum. Apart from this, I'm not using any other serum, only the face wash, the moisturizer and this serum, nothing else. And this only serum has cleared out all my comedones, all my clogged pores, all my tiny bumps, white heads, black heads. Apart from that, it really helped me to fade my dark spots also. So I will attach a video or a photo here of my current skin condition, कि ना बहुत सारा थोड़ा बहुत पिंपल्स का मार्क्स है मेरे फेस पे। आई वोंट से इट्स परफेक्ट, बट एट लीस्ट आई फाउंड समथिंग दैट रियली सॉल्विंग माई प्रॉब्लम। तो आई थिंक इट्स अ बिग विन फॉर मी कि मैंने खुद से ही एक अच्छा सा इंग्रेडिएंट पे इन्वेस्ट किया, जो मेरी स्किन पे बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रहा है। और ऑब्वियसली द पिगमेंटेशन, द डार्क स्पॉट्स विल टेक टाइम टू फेड completely, but I'm so happy with the results. So if you are somebody who is having tiny bumps, comedones, dark spots, pimple, all these things, just give this product a try, and I will really wait for you people to come and comment here once you see the result. Anyways, this was the third video of acne skincare. If you are serious about your acne skincare, then I would highly recommend you to watch the acne skincare series, because I am making an acne skincare series. I got a lot of questions on acne and pigmentation, and that is something I have faced a lot. Till now I am battling also. So I thought कि जब इतने सारे लोग they are also having the same issue like me, why not sharing it? And that's when I decided to make a series on acne skincare and pigmentation skincare also. So आप अगर चाहते हो how you can choose the product, what to choose, what to consider and what to avoid, all these things I am covering on the series, so do check that also. Alright then, thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.